Hi, I'm Archan Rawal. I'm doing my interior designing course at Brds. Here I'm sharing my experience at Brds. Brds provides such a good atmosphere for each and every student to learn and to grow into designing field. Designing is an art which you can explore a lot day by day. Brds provides such a good atmosphere, while their faculties are also so much frank with each and every student, said they have one-on-one conversation with each of the students so they can guide them well and also improve their potential. Brds has different modules in interior designing. Regarding that modules, they also have visits. Apart from the visit, we are having also good abroad courses. One thing I like at Brds is that there is no age limit to study, and other thing is there is no background requirement. If you are from the BCom or MCom or MBA field or engineering field, still you can come here and learn designing and explore yourself. So Brds provides such a good platform to each and every student to learn and grow.